So sorry for the late. I was traveling. That's why I didn't upload any new videos. But from now, I will give you a regular update about my online solutions. Like I am working on AI and business tool automation, something like that. So this is my new project, most recent project, and this is the custom project. I didn't see any solution like that in YouTube before or on Google. So this video may be help to you for your custom need, something like that. So the project is about the CB analyze and give the rank and score on your submitted CB, something like that. So this project related to WordPress, Zapier, ChatGPT, and some custom algorithm and some setup. So let me explain the output of this project. So you can see this is a WordPress website, and in this website, the main thing is you can upload your CB and you will get the output of the analysis of that CB, which will help you to make your CB betterly. Okay, so for this website you must log in because without login the process cannot be work. Okay, so when anybody click the button access, so this custom login page came here, something like that, and people can log in or register with Google. You can see and just click any Google account. So it's working, and after that login, this page AI page unlock, and there is the option like if you want to apply for a civil related job or graphic design related job, you can weight your CV, how much weight have you on your CV or some lackings you have. So like you want to apply on graphics design 2025 job, something like that, and you have like 10 years experience on this field. Okay, experience, something like that. It's a demo, so maybe some spelling maybe mistake. So it's a demo. So here is the option for CV upload. So you just need to upload your job related CV, and the CV will be uh, uploading, and it's uploaded. So you just need to click send for AI for evaluation. So the process will start, and it will take around 40 to 50 seconds. On this time range on the backend, there are too many work will be happen, like uh, OCR custom setup, and Zapier and ChatGPT, Google Sheet, too many things. Too many things. WordPress also. Too many things happen. Some custom coding happen in the backend, and you will see the best final output on this screen. So let's wait for this result. So those person who need custom setup or this type of custom web app, uh, this process can help a lot because I didn't see any similar type of solution on the Google or YouTube. So okay, so our page is come here. You can see. Uh, so the output in Spanish because this process developed for Spanish language and English also, but this is not the issue. So this is the your CV title, and this is the time and date, and this is the CV analysis. So on this CV analysis, they are mentioned some your skills, core skills, and this was your name maybe, and your like PCB design, some your conclusion, and this is the score of this CV 8.5. Pretty good. So this is the project, and I showed you the demo test. And on the left hand side, the user can see his old version of CV, something like that. So it will be run on JavaScript. So uh, in page loading, so you can see. So this is the another CV analysis, and this is the score. So in this way, people can see their old CV also. So the people can see his CVs only, so it will be personalized. And if he want to see his old and old CV, so you just need to click next, and other old CV will appear on this screen. So the project is done. Maybe I can change a little on the CSS or style or something extra step, but this is the core project about this custom. So this project is for custom CV analysis. The challenge of this project was the PDF OCR to text, and ChatGPT or any AI will analyze the CV data and give us the show here. So I used all free tools, all free method, so that in future you don't need to pay monthly cost or something like that. That's why I need almost I am working on this project almost 2 months, and this is the output. So this is now web app, but uh, we have planned to make it mobile application, something like that in the future.